Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy DBS stock on Interactive Brokers. I'll be using the client portal on the web, which is the most straightforward way to do this. First, head to interactivebrokers.com and click the Login button in the upper right corner, then select Portal Login. Enter your username and password to get into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Trade menu at the top of the page and select Order Ticket. You'll see all the product types listed along the top. Stocks, options, futures, and the order ticket will appear on the left side of your screen. In the order ticket search bar, type DBS or D05, that's the ticker symbol for DBS Group Holdings on the Singapore Exchange. As you type, search results will appear showing DBS Group Holdings. Next, enter the symbol, hit Enter, and choose the exchange from the dropdown. Since DBS trades on the Singapore Exchange, select that. Once selected, you'll see a chart in the middle of the page, along with the current bid and ask price. Now, configure your order type using the order type dropdown in the order ticket. You can choose market or limit. A market order buys at the current price and executes instantly. A limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay, which creates a hard ceiling on what you'll spend. For this example, let's go with a limit order so you have more control. In the quantity field, enter the number of shares you want to buy. As you type, the estimated cost will update based on your quantity. Since we selected a limit order, you'll now see the limit price field become active. Enter the maximum price per share you're willing to pay. Check the current price displayed in the top left or middle of the screen before setting your limit to make sure it's realistic. Review your order details, the symbol, quantity, order type, price, and estimated total cost. Verify you have sufficient buying power for the transaction. When you're ready, click the Submit Buy Order button at the bottom of the order ticket. Interactive Brokers might warn you about submitting without real-time market data. Just click Yes or Accept to continue. If the market is closed, you'll get a notification. Click Yes to queue your order for when the market opens. Wait for your order confirmation. Once the market is open and the price matches your limit, your order will execute. If you used a market order, it'll happen almost instantly during market hours. After execution, go to your Portfolio tab to see your new shares. Your available cash balance will be reduced by the purchase amount plus commission. Interactive Brokers charges 0.08% of the trade value, or a minimum of 250 SGD per order, whichever is greater. Keep in mind that by default, Interactive Brokers shows delayed prices unless you have a paid real-time subscription, so the prices you see might be a few minutes behind. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.